Hello friends at home. In this video I will be doing today's religion test with you. I'm here in the classroom with your friends, but they are being very quiet because during a test we don't talk. So you should have your chapter 8 religion test in front of you. Please make sure that you put your name nicely at the top. If you turn in a test without a name, I won't know whose it is and I won't be able to give you the points. This is the first religion test grade going in the grade book for this quarter. So you want to make sure you put your name on it so that you can get credit. All right, so we are on side 8A. If you don't see that 8A at the bottom, you're on the wrong side. So make sure you get on the side that I'm on, okay? Okay, so number 1 says, Jesus said that God is like a blank. Did he say God is like a rich man? Or did he say God is like a good father? If you think God is like a rich man, you'll circle this one. And if you think God is like a good father, you'll circle this one. Looking at number 2, we tell God that his name is blank. Do we tell God his name is holy? Or do we tell God his name is strong? Whenever I'm trying to remember this answer, I think about the songs we sing in church. And holy is your name. Or do we say, and strong is your name? What do we say? So is it holy or strong? Ask up, please. Oh, remember, during a test, we don't talk. Remember, in the Our Father, we say, hallowed be your name. And we know that hallowed is another word for holy. All right, number 3, God blank everything we need. Does God know everything we need, or does he keep everything we need? If you think God knows everything we need, circle here. And if you think God keeps everything we need, circle here. And number 4 says we should blank to God for his gifts to us. We should not pray to God for his gifts for us. Or we should give thanks to God for his gifts to us. Should we not pray or should we give thanks? And number 5 on this page says, in the story about the lepers, blank thanked Jesus. 1 leper or 10 lepers? Think about the story that we read this week. Was it 1 leper that thanked him or 10? Remember, a leper is a person that has the disease leprosy. So was it 1 person or 10 people that said thank you? Now, we're going to come back to this side in a minute. You're going to draw something you're thankful for. But right now, let's turn it over and let's fill in these blanks. That way I can let you all take as much time as you need on your pictures. So it says complete the sentences with the words in the box. The words are Lord's, hallowed, Father, and pray. I will read you the sentence and then you'll choose the best word to complete it, okay? Number 1 says, Jesus taught us how to blank. Did Jesus teach us how to Lord's? Did he teach us how to hallowed? Did he teach us how to Father? Or did he teach us how to pray? Choose the one and write it nicely on the line. Did he teach us how to Lord's, hallowed, Father, or pray? Johnny, you need to put that on your foot. All right, number 2 says, Jesus taught us the blank prayer. Did he teach us the Lord's Prayer, the hallowed prayer, the Father prayer, or the pray prayer? Did he teach us the Lord's Prayer, the hallowed prayer, the Father prayer, or the pray prayer? Number 3 says, we call God our blank. We call God our Lord's, our hallowed, our Father, or our pray. What do we call God? Our Lord's, our hallowed, our Father, or our pray? And then the last one on that page says another word for holy. is another word for holy. Lords, hallowed, Father, or pray. Another word for holy. Write it on that line. And when you are finished, turn your paper back over, and in that box, take a minute to draw something that you want to thank God for. It can be anything in your life that God has given you. When you are done at home, take a picture of both sides and send it to me. And when you are done here in the classroom, turn it into the green basket. Bye, friends at home.